I'm Allison LaForgia, managing editor of HousingWire's Content Studio, and today we're going through a demo of Outamate Mods. Founded in 2022 by mortgage industry veterans with over 2 decades of experience in the mortgage default business, Outamation leads automation and digital transformation in the mortgage industry. At the core of its approach is Outamate Workflow, a proprietary automation platform that streamlines operations through seamless, intuitive interfaces, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency. Leveraging its drip innovation methodology and advanced AI, Outamation enhances compliance, decision-making, and scalability, delivering measurable results, reducing costs, and enabling rapid growth through agile, client-focused solutions. That's just the beginning of a very interesting demo. I'm going to pass things over to the automation team to take us through the demo. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Allison. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this session with us. I'm Sapan Bafna, founder and CEO at Outamation, and together with me is Devang Kamdar, our CTO and co-founder. We'll quickly do an overview on Outamation. We are US-based, recently got ISO certified, SOC 2 certified, offices in Dallas as well as in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We have a strong team of 250 people. These are all professionals with decades of experience in mortgage and finance. We have been in the battlefield delivering cost-reducing solutions for the industry with quality, with the customer experience, which is unmatched. Our goal is to be purposeful and drive continuous innovation for our clients. And we are also very proud to note that we are the recipients of Mortgage Point Tech Excellence Award and HousingWire Tech 100 Award. About Outamate Mods. So Outamate Mods is a modular platform. You will see the demo coming up shortly here. But it streamlines and automates each and every piece of loan modification, all the way starting from a decisioning for all investors to any minor processes in the middle, like a title ordering for whichever investor requires it, or title curative work, generation of documents, fulfillment of those documents, which is when a mailing, printing, shipping, and then in the end, doing recording services on it. We do it all. And we do it with responsible AI. And our technology stack takes you forward to the future. It's built on API first architecture, which makes integrations with existing systems much easier than what we have dealt with as an industry before. Again, some proud moments for us I want to mention. We were the first entity to launch FHA payment supplement program in the country last year. We were the first ones to launch the VA VAS program. Again, the client we had decided not to go first, but we were the first technology company to launch it. We support all investors, FHA, VA, USDA, and we are integrated with Fannie Mae on SMDU, Freddie Mac on Resolve, and we support all private investor guidelines modifications as well. Our workflow makes it super easy to drive any document you want to bring on the workflow, be it deferrals, trials, partial claims, mods, or combos. And the beauty of our workflow automation is it can be customized to a specific servicer need. So if you want to handle, for example, your title curative work in a particular way, or your exceptions in a particular way, we can set the workflow just for you. So you get the best of both worlds. You get the commodity side of the equation, where all the decisions, all the docs are same across the board, and you can customize things for you as well. This is a quick workflow which shows the process from how the tool handles data ingestion to decisioning to doc gen, where we give you rep and warranted recordable documents. That's our guarantee to you. It has inline QC inbuilt, fulfillment, and all of the fulfillment and tracking, as you will see it in the demo, drives accuracy to Six Sigma levels. And it, again, we stand behind the quality, or that work is done at no cost for you. All the way in the end, taking the recorded document to the custodian. We again handle it end to end. You can choose the piece you want. If you just want us to do DocGen, we can just do that, or we can do the entire thing. I'm going to ask my colleague here to now take us through the demo of the application.
Sure, Saban. Thank you very much. Hi, what you're seeing here is our platform Outamate Mods that Sapan was earlier talking about. It is a completely hosted solution. It supports role-based accesses. Um, as soon as a user is on Outamate Mods, they are greeted with a dashboard. These dashboards are completely customizable. Uh, in order to get the data on the system, there are few ways. You can upload the file. We support file-based exchanges through secured FTP, or as we are an API first platform, we are able to integrate with our client systems through APIs. Once the data is on the system, we are able to check the accuracy and the completeness of the data. If the data is incomplete or inaccurate, we are able to go and edit the data for completeness and accuracy. And if any documents are needed, right, we are also able to order those documents, through our partners. Once the data is complete on the system automatically starts the decisioning process, on the loans. We have all the decisioning waterfalls built for all the standard investors out there, be it Fannie, Freddie, FHA, VA, USDA. And we are also able to customize and build private investor waterfalls as required. Here I'm going to go ahead and open an FHA loan. So I'll go here and say view loan. As soon as we go into the view loan screen, in the decision summary, this is basically a high level recommended outcomes, for the loan. And if we go down to the decision calculation section, it actually showcases each and every waterfall that the loan went through. If a loan was not eligible for a particular program, it will state the reasons why it was not eligible. And for the program that was eligible, it will go ahead and produce all the workout details as well. So in this case, all the pertinent data elements are all built in, for this particular workout program. Once the decisions are taken, right, decisioning is performed, we are also able to go ahead and generate the loan modification uh, documents. I'll go ahead and showcase the loan modification document. We do have all the templates for all the standard investors programmed on the system. In this case, I'll go ahead and open a hard document FHA. These are the documents that are built on the system. They are in a completely recordable format. We stand behind the reps and warranties of these documents. The documents do have barcodes. We support barcodes as well as QR codes on these documents. And as you can see, it's a completely recordable, compliant document. We support inline QC, as Sapan was talking about earlier. So, the client users do have a chance to come in and approve, reject, or put the loans in a review required state. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and approve this document. Once the documents are approved, we are also able to take the documents to the borrowers right from the system. In this case, I'll go to the loan that I just approved, and we are able to ship the documents using FedEx, who is our preferred shipping partner, and we do have mobile notary integration on the system as well. Depending upon the choice of the client, we are able to go ahead and ship the documents out to the borrowers as well. Once the borrowers execute the documents, if required, we are able to ingest the documents from the borrowers, perform a QC on it. If needed, we also will be able to reship the documents, with custom cover letters to the borrowers. As Sapan talked about earlier, we are an API first platform. So we do have our integration module. We call it Outamate Fusion. And through this Outamate Fusion, it allows us to easily hook into client systems or any partner systems through API integrations.
What an interesting platform. Let's jump right into some questions. So, the first question that I have is, can we decide to use specific modules of Outamate Mods?
Yes, yes, absolutely. We want our clients to have that option if they have a platform which they have recently integrated and it's working for them. There is no reason to change that. At the same time, the beauty and the power of the application when it's used end to end, but the application can be used modular as well.
And what is involved with implementation and integration?
Implementation usually involves us getting the data from client's servicing system. In some cases, we can get the data in a via SFTP, or we can do an API integration, a data file. We have experience and have supported multiple clients over the years. We support our clients with that integration and the data mapping which is required. Some clients also handle it via data warehouse mechanism. So whichever way, we support our clients with the integration. We handle all the setup activities once the data mapping is done, be it the custom cover letters to what client requires, to the standard decisioning doc setups. We handle all of that. And we are so confident in our integration and setup that we are currently not charging any setup fee for all standard documents and decisions.
Now I'm going to ask you a hard question. How do you accomplish all of this and keep up with compliance and guideline changes?
Absolutely. So again, if there is one thing which is non-negotiable in our business, is the compliance piece, and we have to do it cost effectively. So our model has been simple. We have very defined process for how everything goes through. First, a review of the compliance need, to what is the impact of that compliance, goes through a ticket, goes through the development process, QA, UAT. I mean, this very strict sprint process. We have team members who have done this compliance work for years and years. They are part of our organization. That is what they do day in, day out, be it on decisioning or docs. And because we handle this work end to end, even if for some reason a document change happened at a county level, we were not aware of it, our recording team will become aware when they send the document for recording. So one, to reduce the impact on the client, any of that situation will handle at no cost to the client if we have to resend a document for recording. And two, because as soon as we know and we are standing behind the quality of our product, our goal is to fix that issue right away, versus wait on it and have hundreds of documents which have gone out non-compliant. Even one document or one error is too much for us. So that approach has made us bring the best in class compliance for the industry.
What a wonderful way to approach compliance and guideline changes. Thank you both for taking us through Outamate Mods. For more information about Outamate, click the link below.